Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, I'm back with another interesting question today. So let us quickly look at the question. So it is given that we have a square PQRS and a circle with center at point O. Area of the circle is given as 4 pi square units and we are asked to find area of the yellow shaded square. So mind it that this PQRS is a square. So first of all, we have area of the circle. So the formula is pi times square of the radius is equal to 4 pi square units. Pi and pi gets cancelled. R square is equal to 4. From here, radius of the circle is 2 units. This is what we will get from area of the circle. Now, if we look at this figure, PQ is a tangent to this circle and O is the center. So if we draw a line from O to let this point of contact be M, so this line segment OM will be perpendicular because it is a theorem. And according to this theorem, at the point of contact, if we have a tangent from the center, if we draw a line, then this is 90 degrees. Now if we extend this will also be perpendicular to this SR, this chord SR, okay, because PQRS is a square, so each interior angle is 90 degrees. So PQ will be parallel to SR. So if OM is perpendicular to PQ, so if we extend this, let this point be N, so ON will also be perpendicular to SR. Now from O to M, this distance is 2 units. This is the radius of the circle. Let the distance from O to N be x units. So what will be the side of this square? So this is the side of square, which is 2 plus x. Okay. Another theorem that we recall now is, if we have a circle, this is the center and this is any chord. If we draw a perpendicular on it, then this divides this chord into 2 equal parts. That means this ON is perpendicular bisector of SR. That means this length is equal to this length. So this is equal to this. Now we can see that if 2 plus x is side of this square, so this entire length will also be 2 plus x. So half of it will be 2 plus x by 2. This is also 2 plus x over 2. Now let us join O and R. So this is also radius, which is equal to 2 units. Now let's focus on this triangle, that is ONR. So triangle ONR. This is a right angle triangle, right angled at point N. We will use Pythagorean theorem here. So x square plus 2 plus x over 2 whole square is equal to the hypotenuse, that is 2 square. Let us expand the bracket. So we'll get x square plus, this is 4 plus x square plus 4x whole divided by 4 is equal to 4. Now let us multiply this. So this will become 4x square plus 4 plus x squared plus 4x is equal to 16. 4x squared plus x squared will be 5x squared plus 4x already here minus 12 will be 0. So from here we will get a quadratic equation. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation. So we can use splitting the middle term here. So this will be 5x squared plus 10x minus 6x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is splitting the middle term. We can take 5x common. So this is x plus 2 minus 6 common. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So 5x minus 6 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Let me clean this. So either 5x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So if x plus 2 is 0, x is negative 2. And if 5x minus 6 is 0, x is 6 over 5. So we have to discard this value, minus 2. Because if x is equal to minus 2, then this length will be 2 plus x, that is 2 minus 2, 0. So there is no sense of taking x equal to minus 2, so that is ignored. So we have got x equals 6 over 5 units. Now we can find now the side length of this square, that is 2 plus x. So this is 2 plus 6 over 5, that means 16 over 5. So each side of the square is 16 over 5 units. So the area of the square or the area of the shaded region will be 16 over 5 whole square, that is 256 over 25. If we want to express this in decimals, this will be 10.24 square units. So the area of this yellow shaded square is 10.24 square units. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.